I think Farm Fresh Foxes needs those strong spikes kasi nga gumaganda yung defense ni Akari.
Bertolano reaching for it. This is hijacked. They recycle the offense. They dip it over. It's in the air. Laxina cut shot. Romero resets. Tubo fires to the back row to Disperos. Laxina, yes! Finding the open spot, and Laxina now with 8.
I think pinapadaan niya yung palo niya sa area ni Romero there, and she's been angling her
Set.
spike.
Serve in play from Victoria. Tubu. Soyud, good dig. Laxina. And Laxina now with 9.
I think she's back to 100% ni Farm Fresh Foxes mula simula pa lang ng first
Totoo
set.
yan. And we have Piray coming in.
Nice serve.
Oh, yes, sir. Perfectly done. You're correct.
That was a great floating serve from De La Cruz.
Tinatawanan ka lang nung katabi mo dyan.
Naglag ako eh.
Okay.
Pasensya na. Ayan.
Hello. Pwede pa itaas yan. Hindi napuntahan kaagad ni Biray. So, Farm Fresh wants to reassemble.
Ball, hindi lang na-recover.
Yeah. Kailan may ingay konti. Regalo. Tinaas. Soyud tries again. The shot. Soyud doing well, digging wise. Laxina.
Wow, same.
Just the perfect afternoon for Ivy Laxina.
That's the same.
Tinatawanan ka lang nung katabi mo dyan.
Naglag ako eh.
Okay.
Pasensya na. Ayan.
Hello. Pwede pa itaas yan. Hindi napuntahan kaagad ni Biray. So, tawa lang sila ng tawa. Kasi kung minsan alam ng setter ko ano ang gagawin. In the meantime, one hand on it that time. You just have to be lucky sometimes, and that created the 11.
I love the variation sa attack ni Laxina. Alam niyo nang nakapwesto si Jolina dun sa Super Cross. Nice serve.
Nice set. And that created that opportunity.
And
Madrigal
again,
scores.
yes, and again, yung best and best for them. Na-check naman yung ball pero walang kumuha. Defended. Taas naman, oh.
Oo nga. Okay.